Hi guys, this is Hamza. I'm a designer at Imagine Art, and I'm recording this tutorial today to showcase some of Imagine Art's latest functionalities. We've been getting a lot of queries from our customers trying to better understand how to use our latest edit feature, particularly two new models, which are Nano Banana and Seedream V4 Edit, are both of which essentially uh, are used to make manual edits to your reference images. Additionally, since these models take in multi-references, you may also add in uh, pictures of your product or different style references and have all of them incorporated in your generations using a single text prompt, right? There's a wide range of compelling use cases that people are using these models for. For example, uh, this particular generation, these pictures in particular, I use them to change the color of this perfume bottle, right? Originally, this picture, this bottle, um, was made of glass. It was a transparent perfume bottle made of glass. I wanted its color to be changed, so I simply selected the picture, uploaded it, and used the Seedream B4 edit model. And I simply prompted to change the bottle's color and make it opaque while maintaining its shape and label details, right? You'll notice how I didn't specify that what color I wanted it changed to, um, but it has naturally the model's very key strength is the fact that it tries to maintain that visual appeal and make your picture look realistic. So you'll notice how it's made it into this foggy sort of an opaque material, which is white in color, right? So this is something that's very cool about the product, about the new functionality and these models, right? Additionally, uh, Nano Banana has been on the platform for a while. Unfortunately, the only aspect ratio that was available on Nano Banana was the 1:1 ratio, right? But the Seedream V4 allows you to have your generations in a range of aspect ratios, right? These are some of the most common aspect ratios. So you do also have this functionality now to have your generations in multiple aspect ratios. Another interesting use case and a very frequent query that we've been getting is how to have uh, add multiple reference images and place elements within those reference images across a character from another reference image, for example, right? So I would just like to demonstrate how I've done that. I have this picture. I will be using this picture that I've generated from Imagine Art's latest model, right? It's our own in-house model called Imagine Art 1.0. It maintains character realism to a very high degree. We've been getting some excellent results from it. I'd highly recommend using it. I'll be using this picture, this character, and I'll simply hover over the picture and click on edit. And you'll see how it gets added to my reference images right here. I'm then going to select the other Seedream edit model and select the aspect ratio to be 9:16. Additionally, now I'm going to upload a reference image of a runway model, right? I've downloaded this particular picture of this model, and I'll be uploading this over here now, right? So with these two pictures, uh, as you can see over here, so the idea is to get the model from this picture, this particular outfit, wearing this model wearing this particular outfit, right? So I've simply selected both of these and I've prompted it to make the white girl in the first image wear the runway outfit from the second image, right? So personally, I would recommend specifying certain details from the image that you're referring to. I feel like in that manner, you're able to get better results simply specifying first image. The sequence of the image, the chronology of the image might impact your generations in some case. So just to be on the safe side, I also specified the key distinguishing factor between both of the models, and I've stated this: make the white girl in the first image wear the runway outfit from the second image, right? And you can see how it's done that. It's translated and transferred the outfit from the previous image from the runway model to our character, right here. Now, additionally, moving forward, I may also make edits to this image as well. So now I can also edit, hover on this picture and click on edit, remove all previous reference images, and say change the background to an indoor space. And I'm going to click on generate again. So I'm going to pause this video now, and once I have these iterations, we're going to resume this video and see what we get. Hi guys, welcome back. I have the generations with me now. You can see how it's changed the model's environment and removed her from the outdoor park to an indoor space, right? You can see it's maintained all of the other details exactly as they were. And the key here is to essentially, for this particular workflow or this use case, the key here is to really be careful when specifying what elements of which image you want translated within your generation, right? It's always a good idea to perhaps describe this particular elements from the picture that you're looking for, rather than just specifying the chronology of the picture. Anyways, so this was it for now. A lot of creators are doing some very exciting things with our Nano Banana model and our Seedream edit model. And I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. And I'm excited to see all the cool use cases that you guys